Good morning, students. Welcome to today's class. Today we'll start part number 3 of the play, The Proposal. In previous video class, we left at the point that Lomov came to Natalia's house and Lomov wanted to make proposal to Natalia, but he was very much excited. Now see, Lomov says excited. He is very excited. You see, honored Natalia Stepnovna, the fact is, I have made up my mind to ask you to hear me out. Means the reality is that I have thought something in my mind. I want to request you to listen to me. Hear me out, listen to me. Of course, you will be surprised and perhaps even angry. I think you will be surprised when you listen to my request, and I think you will get angry also. And he gets aside. He was feeling very much excited. It's awfully cold. He was feeling very much excited. He gets aside before making the proposal. Natalia says, "What's the matter?" Then she stops. Pause means stops. Then she said, "Okay, ask. Well, ask. What do you want to ask?" Lomo, I shall try to be brief. Means whatever I am going to ask, I'll ask in brief, in short. You must know, honored Natalia Stepnovna, that I have long, since my childhood in fact, had the privilege of knowing your family. Means, Natalia, you know very well, he's saying that since my childhood, I know your family and my late aunt and her husband, from whom, as you know, I inherited my land, always had the greatest respect for your father and your late mother. Means I inherited means got property from parents. So he got property from parents. Parents means here who is friend? Late aunt. Late aunt means late means here the person who is dead. So he's saying that my family is always having the respect for your family, for your parents, father and your late mother. So Natalia is having no mother and Lomov is having no parents. He was having one aunt that was also dead. So he got the property, the lands from his aunt. The Lomovs and the Chibukus means the complete Lomov family and the complete Chibuku family have always had the most friendly, I might almost say the most affectionate regard for each other. So he is saying that these two families are having affectionate means love and regard for each other. And as you know, my land is near neighbor of yours. So he's saying he's talking about lands. My land is also neighbor of your land. You will remember that my oxen meadows are the land. Meadows means animal grassland. So my green grassland for animal, they are the neighbor of your birch woods. These are also the type of land in which there are birch wood trees. So this birchwood land is of Natalia, and oxen meadows Lomov is saying of his. These two lands are neighbors. Natalia, excuse my interrupting you. You say my oxen meadows, but are they yours? She's saying, excuse me, what are you saying? Oxen meadows are yours. Are they yours? Lomov said, yes, they are mine. This is oxen meadow. Natalia, what are you talking about? Oxen meadows are ours, not yours. Means, what are you saying? These oxen meadows are ours, not yours. Lomo, no, mine. Honored Natalia Stepnovna. No means no, not of yours. They are mine. Natalia, well, I never knew that before. Means, oh, suddenly I have come to know that meadows are not mine. What do you make that out? Means, how did you decide? Lumo, how? What do you mean by how? I am speaking of those oxen meadows which are wedged, means in between, trapped in between your birch woods and burned marshes. Burned marshes means wetland. See here, wedged means in between. This is oxen meadows and this is uh, birch woods and this is burnt marshes. So wedged between these two land. I'm talking about this. He's saying, Natalia, yes, yes, I'm also talking about these lands, this Oxen Meadow land, and I think this land is mine. How long? How long means, what do you mean by how long? As long as I can remember, I can say you that as long as I know these oxen meters are mine. Natalia, really, you won't get me to believe that. Means you can't make me believe. I don't believe you whatever you are saying. Lomo, but you can see from the documents. Means I'll show you the paper. Honored Natalia, oxen meadows, it's true, were once the subject of dispute. Means it's true that in past time these oxen meadows were the cause of dispute, means quarreling or fighting between the two family Lomovs and Chubukubs, and that dispute was sorted out. But now everybody knows that these oxen meadows are mine. There's nothing to argue about. You see, my aunts, so he is giving, Lomo is talking and he is giving the reason why oxen meadows are his. You see, my aunt's grandmother, means grandmother of aunt, gave the free use of these meadows in perpetuity. Perpetuity means forever, to the peasants. Peasant means worker of your father's grandfather. It means aunt's grandmother gave the land to use freely to the workers of Natalia's father's grandfather. And these workers in return, because it was given freely, so in return they made bricks for the aunt of Lomu. The peasants belonging to your father's grandfather had the free use of the meadows for 40 years. So they used freely these meadows for 40 years and had got into the habit of regarding them as their own. And in this long period, in these 40 years, they started thinking that those meadows were those oxen, or that oxen meadows was theirs. When it happened that now after that, what happened when he was speaking? Natalia interrupted. Natalia, no, it isn't at all like that. My grandfather and great grandfather reckoned, means convinced, that their land extended to burnt marsh, which means that oxen meadows were ours. Extended means spread. Now see here, this is burnt marsh, this is oxen meadows, and this is birchwood. So what is the belief, what is the reason given by Natalia, that burnt marshes area extended up to the area or level where there was oxen meadow. So automatically oxen meadows were theirs. If the area is from this to this theirs, then the land will also be of theirs. So this is the reason given by Natalia. And I don't see what there is to argue about. So there is no reason to argue. It's simply silly whatever you are doing. Lumo, I'll show you the documents. Means papers, Natalia. Natalia, no. You are simply joking. No means no, widows are not yours. You are simply joking, making fun of me, I think. What a surprise. We have had the land for nearly 300 years. Means what a surprise you have given to me. We have been working on this land for 3 years, 300 years, and suddenly you have come and you are saying that they are not ours. This is very surprising. Ivan Vasilovich, I can hardly believe my ears. I can't believe whatever you are saying. These meters aren't worth much to me. Who is saying? Natalia. Worth means they are not so valuable to me. They only come to me of 5. They only come to me of 5 desiatins. Desiatins means measurement of land in Russia, and are worth perhaps 300 rubles. The price of these oxen meters, the price is only of 300 rubles. So I'm this is not very much price for me, But I can't stand unfairness. I'm arguing with you because I can't tolerate injustice. Say what you will, means whatever you want to say, you can say. But I can't face injustice. That's why I'm doing argument. Otherwise, these are not so valuable or these are not expensive for me. Lumo, hear me out means please listen to me. I implore means I request you. The peasants of your grandfather's grandfather, as I have already had the honor of explaining to you, used to bake bricks for my aunt's grandmother. Now, my aunt's grandmother, wishing to make them a pleasant means happy, and who interrupted? Natalia. The same thing is repeating, and Natalia interrupted. Natalia, I can't make head or tail. Means I can't understand whatever you are saying, grandmother, grandfather, aunt, late grandmother. Okay, and I'm not able to understand this. I know only one thing, that meadows are ours. Who said? Natalia. That's all, she said. Lumo said, no, they are of mine. Natalia, ours means oxen meadows are ours. You can go on proving it for 2 days on end. Means for 2 days, if you want, you can take 2 days to prove it. You can go on, you can continuously use the 2 days to prove it, but put on 15 dresses jackets. Means as you are wearing new jacket, put on more 15 dresses, 15 new jackets. Even then, if you will take 2 days more jackets, even then you will not be able to prove it. But I tell you, they are ours, ours, ours. Now what happens? They have started fighting. I don't want anything of yours. Natalia is saying, I don't want your anything your, and I don't want to give you anything which is mine. So this is my view. Lomo, Natalia Stepnona, I don't want the meadows, but I am acting on principle. Principle means my rule regulation, my some reasoning things I am having. Because of that, I am not going to uh, give you, or I am going, because of that, I am not saying that oxen meadows are yours. If you like, I'll make you a present of them. But if you say, I can give you as a gift. But because of my principles, I'm not going to give you if you are saying that oxen meadows are yours. But if you want as a gift, I'm going to give you. Natalia, I can make you a present of them myself. I am also capable of giving you gift because these lands are mine. Your behavior, Ivan Vasilevich, is strange today, to say the least. So here I want to say least, but I want to say that you are having very strange behavior today. Up to this, we have always thought of you as a good neighbor, a friend. Means I thought that you are a good neighbor, okay, you are a good person. Last year we lent you means gave you threshing means threshing machine which is used to separate the grain in field, and although on that account I gave you last year, I gave you my threshing machine, and I myself put off my threshing till November. Means my work was stopped, my threshing work was stopped in field, and I did in November, and I gave you because I thought that you were a good neighbor or friend. So this is today's video class. We'll continue because it's play, so it requires many classes. We'll continue in the next video class. Thank you for watching.